Look at the signs, Mommy. I'm Angelica Hale. I'm 9 years old, and I'm in 4th grade.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, such a good greeting. Oh, my gosh.
You're so pretty.
You're prettier.
I started singing when I was 2 years old. I love to sing. Look, Mommy. When I wake up in the morning, I hum to myself a little bit. And then at night, when I take a shower, sometimes I just sing to myself, singing in the shower. Come on.
Who are these lovely people here?
That's my mommy and my dad.
That's Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah, she's special. We're a little biased being her parents and all, but 5 years ago, we never imagined that she would be here today. When Angelica was 4 years old, she started coughing and having fevers. We brought her into the emergency room, and that's when we found out she had double pneumonia, and her kidneys stopped working.
Sweet creature.
Things were getting really bad really fast. They brought in a chaplain to talk with us.
We thought that we're about to lose her.
Don't know where we're going.
What saved her life is she got her kidney transplant from her mother.
Well, what did Mommy give you?
Mommy gave me her kidney.
Oh, Mommy gave you her kidney. Oh, let's hug Mommy.
She's my hero.
It's her dream to become a singer. Her being here today is a miracle.
If I won America's Got Talent, I would get a puppy. I would get a puppy, like a small tiny puppy. Let's go.
What's your name?
My name is Angelica Hale.
And where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old, and I just found out that I'm gonna be a big sister.
Wow.
Who do you want to be like?
I want to be the next Whitney Houston.
Wow.
I want to be a superstar.
Wow.
And I'm so happy to be here because, like, I've been watching your show on YouTube, and now I feel like I'm in it, and I'm like so like awestruck.
And not only are you in it, you're in it to
win it.
Yeah. Clever little girl.
Go ahead, Angelica.
Okay.
Win it
thank
for
you.
yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whitney Houston.
You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find the fighter. Wow. But I see it in